I'm not a scientist, but I have a feeling that when atoms are energized, that is how they behave under the microscope.
Welcome to Solution Prime TV. This is the channel where Charlie some things we for know like about science. We the thing too without science, country no fit be country. You see those powerful countries where we see them, all these countries, it be science where Charlie, it make them believe them about it. So today we dive into you see scientists, we get that perception as we be kids, they go up the camp, about G chess, AC chess and things. Then go talk you see scientists know they believe in God, scientists know they believe in God. You hear plenty up to now you day your mind say for scientists you know they believe in God, Charlie it be lie, I will talk you the matter. It be lie. But today I can't talk you things with Charlie. You could get surprised. Yeah. I want you to know things that you see people have that perception that scientists don't believe in God. They are atheists, but which is not true. Today make you dive into scientists which Charlie them to be great men. You know them like Isaac Newton, Galileo, and things you Planck. All these scientists, Charlie, they believe God. Share. If you know they believe God, it be John. How? The Almighty God, you know they believe Almighty. They be John. Charlie, Baba if you believe God. This world where you know they believe God, it be John. So Charlie, make you move on then. I will show you things where Charlie. You go bust your mind. You make a belly my tablet then open talk to you things where Charlie. You can make you know at thought that scientists know they believe in God. They then talk say scientists know they believe in God. Scientists they believe in God. Scientists they believe in God. Yes, we get scientists. We talk say half of the scientists believe in God. Others too know they believe in God. But today I talk scientists where they believe in God. I will carry squad where they know they believe in God too. But this video be scientists where they believe in God. Okay. So the first on the list be Isaac Newton. You know Isaac Newton. Yeah. He will carry force cam. That's why if you solve anything related to force pair, then you go carry Newton, 50 Newton. So that be he do theory related to science. Yeah, but that man he be great man. He be mathematician. He be physicist. We can be astronomer. He study the how I go talk the space. He do all these things. Hard man. You know, see, he invented theory about calculus. Yeah. The calculus aspect, he be part of it. He discovered it. The formulating of calculus, he be part. Isaac Newton be part. Where he proposed theory, Newton's first law, second law, third law. Where he talks say a body will be in its state of motion once it is in motion. A body will be in its state of rest once it's at rest, unless maybe external force can't do the thing top or external force stop the thing. If the external force no stop the thing, forget the thing still go move at all. So this is the theory this man proposed. And they believe in God. They believe in God. So Charlie, yeah, make I talk you some small this thing that you go know. Yeah, you see, this be how Isaac Newton they believe in God. They see God as a universal ruler. He saw God as a supreme internal being who rules all things, referring to him as an almighty ruler. So you see, and this man did a great job. You see that force of gravitational force, it be in he do. So he did believe in God. So squad will be like that. Is he say it be great scientists where you know am, where you say they believe in God. Imagine. So Charlie, scientists they believe in God. Oh. So if it dey here where you see they won't find yourself as like they won't enter those aspects. You want to be a scientist, you want to be a physicist, chemist, biologist, which Charlie, you know they believe God. Sick of people they talk say scientists know they believe in God. Charlie, then be lie. Then they talk you, then they lie to you. They are lying. So take note of that. They believe that scientific discoveries were a means to understand God's creation and wisdom, viewing the natural world as a reflection of divine. Charlie, your man they believe God. Oh. Share. The scientists know they believe in God. Scientists do believe in God. So you too have to believe in God. If you don't believe in God, you be John. Charlie, they can talk you something, make you know. Make we move to the second scientist, where Charlie, you to be very great man. Yeah, in terms of science, he be astronomer. Yeah, he proposed the heliocentric model. Yeah, we state that the sun, the sun is at the center and the other planets orbit around it. This be what they carry the solar system come. This money be 10 times long 34 that be that be yo. So then they call him Nicholas Copernicus. Yeah. So as I talk, he be astronomer. We usually believe God. Wow. You see, so we get people where they believe in God. Oh. Charlie, this world make no put that mindset. See, scientists know they believe in God. Charlie, hey, they do marvelous things. But you see, yeah, we get some man usually believe in God. He be scientist. That be Ptolemy. Yeah, Ptolemy. He proposed the geocentric model where he talks the Earth will be the center, where the sun and the other planet they orbit around the Earth. You see, more times as we do, sometimes you see as we be kidding they come. If you watch the sky, you go see the sun they move with the bar. Yeah, so I sure say this be the idea. I don't know, but I mean this be what I think say. You use physical this the way you take predict what that geocentric model, which Charlie Nicholas Copernicus can't talk to you that be Charlie carry some nice theory or model camp which Charlie will use them in the bar. So currently we know that the sun be the center where the other planets orbit around the sun. So this be the man. And if they believe in God, make I read something about in aspect of belief, how they believe in God. He say they believed that studying the intricate workings of the universe was a form of worship. So if he study the universe, he see it be the form of worship, and it be true, that be fantastic. Yeah, because if you study the universe, yes, you try to cherish or you try to believe God more. That is the point. You have to believe God more. Because when you study, how did God created all these things? Hey, Charlie, for example, when a human body system, how you see you put food here, hey, Charlie, the food go enter your body slowly. You see the enzymes, then go talk say biologists, they go talk say enzymes wey dey your mouth go break the what do you call it, the carbohydrate food into glucose and things. That be the tiling. The enzymes called tiling, where you go break down the food into what? Into maltose and things. Then the food go enter your stomach, go pass through the esophagus, then things enter your stomach. If you go there today, then see the gastric glands go secrete gastric juice. Then the gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid, pepsin and renin, some enzymes, bead and things. So all these things, if you try to understand the nature, you see, so God is very powerful. Like God is powerful. Hey, Baba, Charlie, make no joke. So if you know they believe God, Charlie, oh yeah, Jimmy fucking. Yeah, Bible, but the Bible self talk. The Bible, Jimmy fucking. Make I talk something to we, Charlie. So this be they believe in God. See what he talk. He saw the mathematical, symmetric, and order in nature as evidence of the divine creator. So the mathematics we see, in the Bible, that boy talks say, father of all scientists. This be what your man they talk. Nicholas they see what they see, it be mathematical, symmetric, and order in nature as evidence of the divine creator. So God be supreme. Charlie, you talk me say you know they believe God. You be John, right? Charlie, bro, you be John. Bro, you be John. You know they believe God. Oh, bro, you be John. Yeah. So that be Yeah. Make a go to the third scientist on the list. That be Galileo Galilei. Who pronounce That be what me I pronounce Yes, make you go see. Used to he be astronomer. He be astronomer. He be physicist. He be mathematician too. He be astronomer. He be physicist. He be mathematician too. Yeah, they often call him father of modern science. Yeah, he invented telescope. A telescope that we take watch the heavenly bodies, the moon, and things. So that be hard, man. That be very hard. This be hard. You get it? Yeah. So that is it. They believe in God. So we get people they believe in God. Make a move to the next person on the list. Yeah, the person on the list. Yes, I go talk about this man you see he be chemist. His contribution was under Mo concept. Yes. If you go to Mo, if you be student with then the more you Mo. Yeah, he did science, integrated science. So people they do science, by all means you learn Mo. He be senior man, we come to Mo contribution, the concept of Mo. Here, he's part of it. He's a killer, he's a strong man under the Mo concept. Yeah. So he scored Avogadro. He was the man who formulated Avogadro's constant. You know him. Yeah, that is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. That be the constant we know. Yes. So this man, they believe in God. Yes. They believe in God. Wow, Avogadro. You cannot get that is Avogadro's constant. You cannot get in law 2. Yeah, we state that equal volumes of the gases at the same temperature and pressure contain the same number of molecules. So in only chemistry aspect, molecules, atoms, moles, then things. Atoms, molecules, then things. These be the things we your man do. Okay, so Charlie, you see how scientists, you see plenty of people who they talk about matter. They believe in God. So make you talk me say they know they believe in God. The next person, the person we are can't talk in matter to, in contribution be biology with the Bible. Yeah, he contributed. It will be physics, no be chemistry, it won't be biology aspect. Yeah, it be. You see that genetics you they talk about how you go resemble your mommy, you go resemble your puppy. How you go resemble your family member and things. That will be genetics. Yes. So if the scientists, this scientist discovered that idea, we get some laws with this man do one. So his name be Gregor Mendel. Yeah, people know him. People with study biology, home economist, the home economics student, science student. The people who didn't do biology, they know him. Yeah. So that be they believe God pass. Charlie man, they believe God. So that perception they for JM. That perception they for JM. You see, that be the discover the law. We call it the law of heredity. The laws of heredity. It be in discover them. If you hear them before, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, law of dominance. The biologists then go understand this. Yeah, so this be the man where Charlie, you two they believe in God. So you see, they do great things. Yeah, but they do great things. So there's no way you can tell me you don't believe in God. That is bullshit, bro. That is bullshit, man. I get another one where Charlie, it will be very great man. Yeah, he be physicist. Charlie, he be physicist and he be boss for chemistry. Yeah, but you do something where it be related to electromagnetism. Yes, electromagnetism and electrochemistry. The elder for his church. The elder for his church. So you see them, they do marvelous things. You know Faraday, Michael Faraday, that be yeah. He's a great man. He's a very great man. Yes, he dey believe in God. The next person that they can't talk in matter, he be physicist. Yes, he to be physicist, which more times in the column father of quantum theory. Talk about quantum mechanics, he be like quantum mechanics or quantum theory. Yes, unlike classical mechanics. Classical mechanics, you see a body moving and things, but this one, the quantum mechanics, they talk about particle that behave as a the quantum particles and behave as a particle at the same time as wave. Yeah, that is how the quantum particle is. But for classical mechanics, they see them as a particle. If they move, you see them as a moving particle. That be quantum, quantized. The thing has been quantized. So that be so Planck, yeah, a very great man of physics. Where they believe in God, they trust God. They trust God. So scientists really trust God. When I hands him back. So you two they believe in God. Wow. Yes. You see great scientists. You see great scientists they believe in God. Yes. You two you do something where they under quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics. When I hands him back. If you talk say you can never measure both momentum and position of the objects. You can never measure both the momentum and the position of the objects. So if you try to see they measure the mass, if you try to see they measure the position, it be hard to go measure the momentum of the particle. If you try to go measure the momentum to if you see the particle, position of the particle. So this beyond. So you can never measure both the momentum and position of the particle simultaneously. That be the man, Heisenberg. So the one I talk quantum mechanics, that be how they think they a particle behaving as a particle at the same time as a wave. But in a classical sense, it's not like that. A particle be particle. If they study the particle, they study the particle. If a particle is moving, they study the particle, how the particle they move. But for quantum, that for quantum, trivial, this be the Heisenberg theory. We call it Heisenberg uncertainty theory. Then gets the last person. It will be very hard, man. Yeah, it will be physicist. His name be James Clerk Maxwell. James Clerk. Yeah, make you dive into in theory and things. Yeah. So you to contribute something about partial differential equations, that be the differential equation mathematicians, squad, you see squad within they do math, then they go back. Yeah, it be part of calculus. You see, calculus is the differentiation and integration. So this man, Maxwell, get that theory, you name him Maxwell's equation. Yeah, he developed 4 partial differential equations where they describe how electric and magnetic field are generated and altered by each other by charge or current. So this beyond, you see, they did marvelous things, hard work, but still they do science with so that they believe God. So we get people that they believe God. Yeah, so electromagnetic theory of light, the electromagnetic theory of light. Yeah, he predicts waves travel at the speed of light. So you see, we know see light travel at a speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Yes, that is the speed of light. The speed per second, you travel 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light. So this man talks say he predict the electromagnetic wave travel at the speed of light. So this be so they won't try see light is an electromagnetic wave. Yes, light is an electromagnetic wave. We talk about electromagnetic wave, then it means they are wave that do not need any material for its propagation. It be like, you see, it travel through vacuum. A typical example of a wave that travel with a medium is sound. You see the speaker, without the speaker, the sound can never produce. You see a string, if it is shake you will see say there will be a wave. Yeah, each will they travel through the string. Without the rope or the string, it can't travel. So that be so for electromagnetic wave, they know the medium for its propagation. For example, the light you see. Yes, the light it be electromagnetic wave because they travel through a vacuum. They pass, they use something where they take calm with the bag. That be the sun, the sunlight. They near any distance. They come through vacuum, they pass through vacuum. They need material or something for its propagation. So that began. This is James Clerk, very great scientist who truly believe in God. Yes. We get plenty scientists where Charlie, them today they believe in God. So Charlie, make no day somewhere they talk say scientists know they believe in God. Some scientists believe in God. So there's no way, and I will talk to people who they know they believe in God. Then be John, as I said, then be John. How? I don't know if you believe in God. The Almighty God is the Almighty. He is the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. So if you be human being, you exist, you did the earth, you did on earth for believe in God. God is the supremo, the senior man, Baba. So you see people, how people they believe in God, and those people did a marvelous thing. There's one scientist believe in God, but in a different angle. That is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein believed in God, but it is in a different angle. Do you get it? Yes. It is see God as the nature, but nature be the God. Einstein is see God as the nature. So that is the aspect of this be how they believe God. But they believe God as a divine being, as the other scientists they believe. Yes, it not be atheist. That be Einstein will be atheist. But the way they believe in God, they believe in Spinoza God. Spinoza is the scientist way the way they believe in God be different from different angle. That be how Einstein they believe in God. I still go there. Whether you believe it or you don't believe it, it be Baba God, it be still God. Whether you believe him or you don't believe him, he is the Alpha and Omega. He is still God. If you don't believe him, he is still God. If you believe him, he is still God. So, if you don't believe God, try to believe in God. If you're an atheist watching this video, try to believe in God. Because great scientists who contributed brought a very good theory, brought a powerful things to the world. Believe in God. How much more than you don't believe in God? Believe in God.